In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. Now be sure to watch the whole video because you don't want to miss any steps that may be crucial. So the first thing you need to do is ensure that you are signed in to your Shopify store, like I am here. And now what you can do is go down to settings and then go to payments here. Now the first thing I'd say is that you should have Shopify payments activated for this to work. Now from here you can go to add payment methods, and there's a few different ones you can type in here. I believe if I type Apple Pay in this one, it should pop up. Let me see in here, maybe this one. Maybe it's not in that one. It may be see other providers here. So it's not showing up in any of those settings, but the way that you would do it is you would just activate Shopify payments. There's a few other payments you can do, but Shopify payments works with. And once you activate it, it will automatically give you the Apple Pay option. Now there's a few other payment processors you can use for Apple Pay. So you can use Shopify payments, Stripe, First Data, PayEasy, Authorize.net, CyberSource, and Braintree. So you can use all of these ones. Now you must have SSL activated on your store domain. That's very easy to do, and I have a guide on how to do that, so check the channel and there'll be a video on there about it. And you must follow Apple's acceptance usage guidelines. Now you can use Apple Pay for subscription products, but you need to follow these requirements here. It needs to be Shopify payments, needs to be located in US, Canada, Australia, or New Zealand, and your customers need to pay with MasterCard or Visa, so they can't do like a prepaid one. Now the last thing is these are the devices here that will support Apple Pay. So SE, 6, 6 Plus or newer, iPad Pro, Air, Mini 3 or newer, Apple Watch and Mac. And it tells you how to activate it. You go settings, payments, click manage, and then there'll be an Apple Pay in the wallet sections, and that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, then please like and subscribe and comment down below that this helped. Thank you for watching.